In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Steam from startup so it no longer launches automatically when your computer turns on. This is a simple fix if you want your PC to boot faster, reduce background apps, or just take control of what runs in the background. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner and click Steam. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will open Steam's settings window where you can change how the API behaves when your computer starts. On the left side, click Interface. Inside the Interface section, look for the option that says Run Steam when my computer starts. This is the setting that controls whether Steam launches automatically at startup. To disable it, simply uncheck that box. Once it's unchecked, Steam will no longer start every time you sign into Windows. After that, you can close the settings window and your changes should be saved automatically. That's really all there is to it. The next time you restart your computer, Steam should stay closed unless you open it manually. If you ever want to turn startup back on later, just come back to this same menu and check the box again. This is a quick and easy way to make your startup process cleaner and faster. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.